wanted to start this video off with a word of caution. I went to Perth for a week for my simulation component of my degree, but before I left we had one little chicken hatch and the boys did such a great job of feeding it while I was away, and the ducks were kept in their enclosure. But I was so happy to be home. The winter sun was so beautiful. There was no wind. Smoke from fireplaces was just sitting in the mountains because the air was so still. It just had a really great vibe. And I think I got too complacent and I let the ducks out for a wander. And when I went down later, the little chickie had drowned, not in the bath, but in the duck water feeder. The mama was really distressed and my heart broke for her, knowing that she had just lost her only baby. I'm going to be the worst nurse and midwife if I don't learn to compartmentalise, but I buried it under the apricot tree and hopefully new growth will come from that. But we designed the orchard to keep everyone safe after some previous incidents, so I will not take any more chances in the future. We've been able to eradicate fleas by putting in a concrete floor, but they are pesky little things and they will find a way. We've been passing eggs on like crazy, but soon I'd like to set up a farm stall out the front of our property for our community. We've come across a problem. Two of the males continuously torment one of the females. I'm not going to show you some of the brutal attacks that I have on footage, but they are from a silverappleyard breeder, and for some reason she's turned out differently. I don't know if this is why she's a target. We call her our golden duck. We love her and we think she's beautiful, but I don't know a lot on ducks yet, so we separate them often and she sleeps in the chicken coop. this is our new worm farm, and Brendan scored this retro fridge from the tip shop for free.
Secure in there so they don't escape.
Right.
How are you going to put them in there?
Would you swim in that?
Is this actually swimming?
No, it's not.
Weeks later.
No, 6 weeks later.
6 weeks later.
Cardboard just wasn't going to cut it, and I had difficulty finding hessian, but I found this cocoa fibre roll from the hanging basket section.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.